How do I detect whether sys.stout is attached to terminal or not? Is there a way to detect whether sys.stout is attached to a console terminal or not? For example, I want to be able to detect if foo.py is run via or. The reason I asked this question is that I want to make sure that my progress bar display happens only in the former case, real console.
This can be detected using sys. To demonstrate this in a shell, Python C import sys, print sys.stout.isat, should write true. Python C import sys, print sys.stout.isat, cat, should write false.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.